Welcome back everyone. This is the continuation video on the 360-degree camera installation on Toyota Fortuner, and we are now on the calibration process. So, we won't take much time anymore. Let's begin. So this is my calibration area. We will park the vehicle later here at the center. These are the rear calibration box. These are also the front calibration box. At this moment, we will now begin the calibration process. Take note that you have to measure the correct dimension of your vehicle, or you can download it online. During calibration, it takes a lot of time. Just be patient and read carefully the instructions written on the screen. If you noticed, our vehicle is now calibrated compared before. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.